I am Asian, but I am Central Asian, not like Southeast Asian. Southeast Asian, you eat everything with the rice and you love rice. But I am different kind of Asian. I am Central Asian, and we everywhere we eat bread instead of rice. I ordered the soup. I come to the Thai restaurant. I ordered soup and I asked for bread and they don't have bread, so I have to go to another place to buy bread so I can eat and drink with the bread like this.
Hello madam, shout out for Central Asia. So, kung ikaw hindi kumakain ng kanin na, hindi kami mabubuhay ng walang kanin, madam. Manghihina kami, madam. We are in Southeast Asia. So, Central Asia, hindi ko alam kung saan banda yan, besh. Kumakain na sila ng tinapay. So, kumakain kami, kaya malulusog kami. Dahil, manghihina kami dahil. Ito, rice, hinain ko na lahat, paubos na nga. Manghihina kami dahil kung walang rice. Nakakagulat. Bakit kali? Ganun sa kanila, no? So, say, we love rice, we love rice. Manghina kami pag walang rice. Tayo nakakalukan ng itong babae nito. Central Asia. Where's the Central Asia belong? Oh my God. Nakakalula. Dahil nakakaano ka dahil? Bread, go ahead ate. Basta kami, Southeast Asia, we love rice. So, manghina kami pag walang rice. Gutom kami dahil manginginig kami pag walang rice. Hindi. Oh my God. Kaluka.